Hey, welcome back to Snake Eyes Garage. It's Conrad. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm unboxing a universal gas tank from Tanks Inc. And this gas tank is designed to go under the bed of a pickup truck. And it's also designed for EFI, so it has internal baffles. I'll leave a link to the tank itself in the description so you can go check it out directly. I did not receive this tank for free. I bought it. So this is not a paid promotion or advertisement or anything like that. I just wanted to show you what comes in the box and some features of the tank itself. So in the larger shipping box, you get the hanger brackets here. These are metal. And this red bag contains all your accessory items. The filler neck, which is a nice heavy metal neck. The gaskets and hardware. Billet filler cap. And this vent valve. If you want to see what comes with the tank and some options, tanksinc.com. And that's the address right there. So let's take the gas tank out of the box and see what's in there. Alright, here's the tank itself, and I just wanted to just briefly show the features here. So you got the fuel pump location, the filler location, and the fuel sending location. This is a stamped steel and it's mechanically bonded. And they probably use some other kind of bonding here to seal it. So you can see this as well. See that edge. So to show that it does have a tray for the EFI, put a light there and you can kind of see holes there at the bottom of the tray. It doesn't appear to have much baffling on this side of the tank at all. It would have been nice to have maybe like a cross baffle to keep fuel from moving around too much in here. But that's my only criticism that I have personally with this tank, given its price. And I appreciate your time watching. Take care.